Flare-ups occur when excess fats and oils drip onto the charcoal, igniting and causing sudden, intense bursts of flame. This can lead to uneven cooking, charring of the food, and even unwanted smoke that affects the taste of your meal. Understanding how flare-ups work is crucial for a successful grilling experience. By managing them effectively, you can ensure not only the safety of your cooking, but also enhance the flavors and textures of your grilled dishes. Proper management can also help prevent potential hazards and make the grilling process more enjoyable. Before you start grilling, the right preparations can greatly affect your results. Begin by trimming excess fat from meats. This helps reduce flare-ups caused by drippings. Next, consider setting up a two-zone fire on your grill. This involves creating a hot side for searing and a cooler side for indirect cooking. This method allows you to manage heat levels better, provides more cooking options, and helps prevent burning while achieving optimal doneness. Proper prep not only ensures safety, but also enhances the flavors and textures of the food you're grilling. When flare-ups occur while grilling, managing them promptly is essential to prevent overcooking or charring. One effective technique is to quickly move the food away from the direct heat source. This allows the flames to subside while your food continues to cook indirectly. Additionally, keeping a spray bottle filled with water nearby can help control smaller flare-ups by dousing sudden flames. Some grillers prefer to use apple cider vinegar in a squirt bottle for its ability to reduce flames and add a hint of flavor. Mastering these techniques ensures a more controlled and enjoyable grilling experience. Effectively managing grill temperature is crucial for achieving perfectly cooked meals. To start, monitoring the temperature allows you to understand how hot your grill is and whether adjustments are needed. Keeping the lid closed helps maintain consistent heat and reduces cooking time while also preventing flare-ups. Additionally, the vents on your charcoal grill play a vital role in controlling airflow. By adjusting these vents, you can increase or decrease the oxygen flow, thereby influencing the intensity of the fire. Mastering these temperature management techniques ensures effective cooking and enhances the quality of your grilled dishes. Maintaining a clean grill is essential for preventing flare-ups and ensuring a successful grilling experience. After each use, allow your charcoal grill to cool and then scrape the grates with a grill brush to remove stuck-on food and grease. Empty the ash catcher regularly to prevent buildup, which can obstruct airflow and affect performance. Additionally, periodically check and clean the interior of the grill, including the burners and vents, to ensure they function properly. By incorporating these cleaning and maintenance tips into your routine, you'll set yourself up for smooth and controlled grilling sessions in the future.